Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the incoming call ambient lighting effect of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to turn on or off this lighting effect in your device Vivo Y22s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the incoming call ambient lighting effect of your device.